Good morning students, welcome to networking lab and this is for 4th semester IT students. So today we will be discuss about networking communication device. This is under your chapter 3. So let's start the topic. Network communication devices. Now see this picture. For this network, these are the systems are there. For this system, the total network is getting connected with the different communication device. Now the router is there. Again this router is getting connected with switch number 1, switch number 2. Then again switch number 1 is having one hub, that is your hub number A, and this is the hub B. Okay, so from this hub again the two systems are getting connected, or you may connect from the switch also. Okay, and from these two systems, one system is passing the net to other systems with a LAN option with the help of communication device, that is nothing but your one bridge is there. Okay, and here as per this hub the total direct two systems are getting connected with that B hub. Okay, so let's know about what is that repeater, hub, switch, etc. Okay, now see, repeater means what? A repeater operates at the physical layer. Its job is to regenerate the signal over the same network before the signal became too weak or corrupted, so as to extend the length to which the signal can be transmitted over the same network. So an important point is to be noted about repeater is that they do not amplify the signals. When the signal became weak, they copy the signal bit by bit and regenerate it at the signal strength, and it's a two-port device. Okay, now see, this is the repeater device. Okay, and it is one type of communication, network communication device. Now what is hub is there? So hub is nothing but it's a basically a multi-port repeater. A hub connect multiple wires coming from different branches. For example, the connector in star topology which connects different stations, and hubs cannot filter data, so data packets are sent to all connected devices. Okay, now see, this is the hub. Here different ports are there. Okay, now types of hubs are there. One is your active hub and another one is your passive hub. So what is this active hub? These are the hubs which have their own power supply and can clean, boost and relay the signal along the network. It serves both as a repeater as well as wiring center. These are used to extend the maximum distance between nodes. And what is your passive hub? These are the hubs which collect wirings from nodes and power supply from active hub, and these hubs relay signals onto the network without cleaning and boosting them, and cannot be used to extend the distance between nodes. Okay, now go for the bridge. See this bridge picture. This is the bridge line. Here the systems are there. Manufacturing segment is there. Corporate LAN segment is there. Okay, now this is the bridge. So what do you mean by bridge? A bridge operates a data link layer. A bridge is a repeater with add on the functionality of filtering content by reading the MAC address of source and as well as destination. It is also used for interconnecting two LANs working on the same protocol. It has a single input and single output port, thus making it a two-port device. Then is your switch. So this is the picture of switch. Okay, Now a switch is a multi-port bridge. Multi-port means see lots of ports are there. Okay, so here the clips connectors are there, RJ45 connectors are there, cables are there that should be connected to the individual port for your switch. So what is that switch? A switch is a multi-port bridge with a buffer and a design that can boost its efficiency and performance. A switch is a data link layer device. The switch can perform error checking before forwarding the data. That makes it very efficient as it does not forward packets that have errors and forward good packets selectively to correct port only. In other words, switch divides collision domains of hosts, but broadcast domain remain the same. Now go for the router. So this one is your router. Two antennas are there. Okay. Now see. A router is a device like a switch that routes data packets based on their IP addresses. Router is mainly a network layer device and it normally connects LANs and WANs together and have a dynamical updating routing table based on which they make decision on routing the data packets. Router divide broadcast domains of host connects through it. Now next is your gateway. A gateway, as the name suggests, it is a passage to connect two networks together that may work upon different networking models. They basically work as the messenger agent that take data from one system and interpret it and transfer it to another system. So gateway are also called as protocol converter and can operate at any network layer. So gateway are generally more complex than switch or router. Okay.